Hello everybody, welcome to Sky Bridge Club. My name is Tina and I'm here to take you on, hopefully for you, the most awesome journey. Bridge is a wonderful game and it takes a little wee bit of learning, but I'm here to help. Today's lesson is just an introductory lesson, so I'll tell you a little bit about the basics involved in the game before we get into the real deal. So, if you're ready, let's go. Here's your first lesson. First and most important thing you need to know is that bridge is a partnership game. You and your partner take on another partnership. So we always refer to bridge players by their compass points. So you're sitting south, the king is your partner, and he's north, and east and west, the queen and the jack, are your opponents. You can see you have 13 cards. The full pack is 52 and everybody has 13. So first thing you need to know is the rank of the cards. We don't have any special powers for the jack or any other twos or any other cards. It's straightforward. Ace down to 2. The ace is the highest ranking card and the 2 is the lowest. There are two parts to the game. First part is the auction, where you make bids to determine what your contract is going to be and how many tricks you have to make. And the second part is where you actually play the cards. So we have to do some bidding first. In order to do some bidding, we need to know the rank of the suits. Spades is the highest suit, followed by hearts, diamonds, and lastly clubs. Now the spade suit and the heart suit are known as the major suits, and diamonds and clubs are the minor suits. So here we are. Let's begin an auction. This is your hand, your 13 cards, and as you can see, you've got quite nice hearts. So you might decide to make a bid of 1 heart to tell partner that you've got some hearts. In West, he's got some spades. He wants to bid spades. Can he bid 1 spade, or does he have to bid 2 spades to beat your bid of the heart, 1 heart? Well, because spades rank higher than hearts, he can bid 1 spade. Partner, who knows how to make me happy, says he likes hearts too. He has to bid 2 hearts to tell me this, which is higher than the previous bid, just like any auction. And just like any auction, it's over once there have been 3 passes. Going, going, gone. Right. Once the auction is over and we've determined that the final contract is 2 hearts, the person on the left makes the opening lead. In this case, it's the ace of spades. And then your partner, because you're going to play the hand, your partner puts down his whole hand on the table, and we call that the dummy. There's always a bit of mirth about this, but he's the dummy for this deal only. And you're in charge of both hands. Don't know why he supported your hearts, because he hasn't got very good hearts, but partners do all sorts of strange things. So we have a trick, and the trick is the play of 4 cards. 1 by the ace, so then West gets to keep that trick and plays the first card to the next trick. Now you need to determine how good your hand is, and one of the ways of looking at how good our hand is to look at the high card points. And the honour cards, which is ace, king, queen, jack, they're all allocated some points. So the ace is worth 4, king 3, queen 2, and the jack is 1. And later on you'll learn that you need to have a certain amount of points to make various bids. So let's count a couple of hands from the left, and I've put it down the bottom so you can remember. So we've got 4 and 3 is 7, 8, 9, 4, 13, 14, 3 more for the king of diamonds, 17, and 1 for the jack makes 18. There are 40 points in the pack, 10 for each suit. So having 18 of the 40 is a very good start, I can tell you. Not so many points in this hand, but it's actually really lovely because it's got 7 card suit. We like that. So you've got 4 points in spades, and 4 for the ace of hearts is 8, 2 for the queen is 10, and 3 for the diamond king is 13. So remember, you count your points across the whole hand, and nothing below a jack has any points allocated to it. Next big decision you're going to have to make, and I just want to cover this briefly in the introductory lesson, is whether or not you're going to have a trump suit. Now, a trump suit is a suit which is more powerful for the duration of one deal only. Sometimes you think, oh, I've got so many of those, I'd like that to be trumps. How do you know whether to have a trump suit? Well, you need to have 8 cards between you and your partner, and we call that a fit. And if you have a fit, that means that becomes the trump suit. So, if you don't have a fit, you're going to play no trumps. So looking at this hand, do we have a fit? Well, the answer is yes, we have a fit in spades because we've got 8 spades between the 2 hands. And we've also got a fit in hearts because we've got 8 hearts. So if we were bidding and having the auction I was talking about, we could decide to have either spades or hearts as a trump suit. You'll learn later exactly how you go about doing this. So, in summary, bridge is a partnership game, which I think makes it very exciting. Sometimes you think, oh man, I've let my partner down, and other times it'll be the other way around. It always evens out. There are 2 parts to the game. You have an auction, and then you have the play of the hand. We have learnt the rank of the suits, spades, hearts, diamonds, and clubs, and high card points, which is ace is 4, down to the jack being 1. So that's quite a lot to learn today. I hope you enjoyed your first look at this game of ours. If you'd like to revise a little bit more, you obviously can watch this more than once, but on our website, which is skybridgeclub.com, and I suggest you go and have a look, there's a lesson called How to Play Bridge in the Learn section, which will help you as well. I look forward to seeing you for my next lesson, which is on the opener's first bid. See you later.